Early morning Starbucks. Yeah. Pup cup. Pup cup.
It's a big one. Meraki.
Oh, first pup cup.
Huh?
Yeah. Chica already going crazy. Go Chica. Go Chica. Go Chica.
Crackhead. Chico,
First Starbucks.
lay off the powder,
cup.
bro.
Yeah.
There's no damn mouth in there. Get him. Chico.
That ain't yours. Pre-baked cookies. I'm glad Gabe just got it. We just really got to decorate them, really. There's a green one, black one, orange one.
They also give us these bloody bones.
The first one.
This is
Yeah. Well, I'll probably make it for
Rocky.
Chico. Rocky or Chico, yeah. What would y'all say? So today's word of the day is support. So, you know, support coming in many ways. Support is a really big thing. Like, if you want support to come your way, you have to be willing to support anybody who wants it too. It goes both ways, and you know, some people might not be able to accomplish their goals sometimes without that support. It keeps people motivated and lets people know that they're doing a real good thing. Even without that support, you should still keep going, because support will come later. It can always come later. So even if you don't got that support, make sure you steady keep going, you know. Some polka dots for her. Boom.
Finished product.
Yeah, I like that. Okay.
I like yours.
Okay. Little something slidey.
Do the pumpkin or the bone for Rocky?
Okay. Finished product. Boom.
But that's for Rocky. He's a big dog, so
Snap. Yes,
definitely. So,
yeah.
mamas. Yeah. The bone, Chico and Rocky.
So I hope you guys like this video though, man, because we're gonna be making more burgers, more burger bangs. We're gonna be making so much, you know, pints and everything. You know, we're gonna be doing Q&A, you know, smash pass, a lot of challenges, you know what I mean? So just stay tuned for the video, you know what I mean? Next part that you're gonna see is gonna be with the kids, so I hope y'all enjoy that too. You know what y'all think if y'all wanna see more videos like that too. I hope y'all enjoy the next part. You know what I mean? I try to get it together as much as I can with the light and everything. When it comes to videos, I like when the light is perfect. Kind of blurry, this and that. It's kind of, but I hope y'all enjoyed them, man. Happy spooky season. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So today we're gonna be playing.
What's in the box?
Raekwon, Aya, Redhead. Be quiet. In the back is O'Shea. We got a whole bunch of items: easy, hard, and advanced. All right. Summer going first.
Chicken toy or bird toy. I forgot.
No, in the dark.
Oh, O'Shea. All right. Did you just hear what he just said? Okay. You could thank O'Shea for that one. All right. So Maya's turn.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
A Q-tip.
Yeah, all right, see job. All right, so that's one point for Maya.
Yeah.
Still 0 for Summer. Still 0 for Pooter. Ain't no cheating.
Okay.
All right.
So, Pooter, if you get this wrong, bro, I'm slapping. What's this? Toothpicks? No.
5, 4, 3, 2,
I don't know the name.
1. All right. Can't know the name. It's a floss stick. And boom. Go ahead.
This is a juice box.
I'm gonna speed it up since I got it. Go ahead and FaceTime me.
Boom.
Congrats.
So this your hard one, Maya.
Go.
Yep.
Boy. Bro, what the? It felt like an elephant, like.
Okay, I'll give you that. I give you that. Yeah.
Like on the floor. Though.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
I
that was
give you
your
that.
first answer. So
Yeah,
we're
I
gonna
give you that because when you say elephant, that's what it is. You got 2 points. How you feel about that, man?
I feel good. I'm undefeated. Yeah.
I mean, how you feel about your little 1 point?
Good.
Pooter, how you feel about having 0 points? Pooter up here still got them 0 points, but he said he feel good about his 0 points. So.
Okay. You probably gonna get this wrong. Fish food. Is it?
Yep. Alright. Y'all see what it is? Come on. Y'all see what it is?
Y'all ready? Right. Here's something. It's the football.
It ain't the football.
It is the football.
Alright. Dang.
I'm gonna say it.
I'm gonna punch you.
We ain't the start now.
Why is it so heavy? It's called a wrench. What is it called? Bro. I don't know what this called.
4,
Oh, wrench?
3, wrench. Alright, you got that right. Good job. Good job, Pooh. Alright, you gonna get this one.
Can I put my hand in? Go ahead. It's the oil for my car. You cheated now.
Bro, why she get it first guess though?
I think you definitely, I don't know.
wasn't, but I literally got it though. You look? No. I saw little holes in the.
If you want to be a little crybaby, I'll give it to you, little crybaby. 2 points.
She's trying to go look to me.
Alright.
Oh.
My girl.
Look. It's cold.
10.
I know what it is, but I don't know.
No, it's
Is it like a broken crayon?
0.
It's shock.
Chalk.
Why you always laying on my knee like that? Where y'all get that from? Stop.
Hey, bro. Hey. It's okay, bro. You get the next try. Your turn gonna come again, okay? Okay, all right.
Michael.
If whoever loses already got a punishment. You know what I mean? So,
I'm
go ahead.
gonna lose this. I already know. I'm gonna lose it.
And is this last clip?
Huh? A drill?
I do it right. Go ahead.
Bro, Uncle, stop playing. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Yeah. Ready? Go.
No pause.
Yeah, okay. 5 points. Let's go. Keeps you in the lead still. Item. But I might put in some special ones.
Oh, that's it. It's a battery.
Battery. Yeah. Call this round
The mystery round.
the bonus groovy round. You feel me? The hard round. The hardest of them all. So, Ma, you got 5.
So that would be 10.
You got 3. And Summer, you got 3.
You know.
You ready?
You was bogus. They still look good. You been keeping it wrapped up.
No, you can't pick it up no more. We pick up the item.
Y'all hear that?
Y'all can't pick. No more picking up the item.
Is it?
That don't mean break it even more.
So is it salt or
You don't like cocoa melon no more?
Care about what is inside the bottle. I just want to know what is it called. What's the original name for it?
I don't know what it's called.
Alright, it's called a salt and pepper shake. Oh, yo.
See.
Sit, do, and do not pick it up.
I said don't pick it up.
Oh. So like it's like hard to pick up, not pick up.
That's the point about the hold up bonus round.
Granny coffee thing.
Good. Look, see, look, you got it right. Look, at the last one.
I love coffee. That's
So 2 points.
Yeah.
Alright, so 2 points. So you up 7 points. Remember, do not pick it up.
It's grease. What type of grease? For your face.
Grease for your face.
What is
that's,
it called?
That's not what it's called. It's not. It's yeah. I need the name of it.
What kind of grease is this then?
For your
One.
face. I put this on this morning.
I highly doubt that you will get this, but you know, don't pick it up.
Is it like something for your wrist?
No. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What you missed is a glass case.
Smell that garlic for some reason.
I can still smell the fart.
Good. Go ahead.
Oh. Herb. I know what this is, cause my mom got some of these. It's a thing for the oven. Get out. It's like it's not like the mitten, but it's like the flat one.
Yo, I'll give you that. I'll give you that.
Oh,
Think you ready for this? 5 points? So you think you can do this for 5 points?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
This be a good one too. What do for feet? For their feet.
Yeah.
So what is it?
So put it all together. What would you call it? Since you just says for their feet. What does it do? For their feet.
Like you get all the dead skin off their feet.
What else you doing?
4,
Take off
3,
the dead skin. I don't know.
2. It's a foot scrubber. You ready?
Oh,
All right.
Is it a magnet?
Keep thinking. 4,
What?
3, 2.
Yeah, I don't know this. Stop touching my neck.
Alright.
Can we pick it up?
Nope.
No. I'm about to get this.
Alright.
Wait, you got in my ass. It's like only thing that go in the bathroom for the toilet paper. The only thing
Yeah.
that got a long stick and then pause.
Is you
And
going
then
with
a little
that?
hole. Yeah.
You going with that?
Yeah.
Alright. Good job. You got that right, right? You got that right. No cap. Good job.
Okay.
What? You don't push them on the table.
Paintbrush?
It's not really a paintbrush. You can't paint with it really.
Like one of those
Paint
big,
with it, but you can't really.
like one of
What color is it?
the top. Shut. The top.
All we know is Pooter lost. Got the little punishment.
3, 2, 1, go. Start going. Take a sip that you would take out of some orange juice.
Yeah, I just. Finally
Take
done with the
another sip
video,
just to
man.
see.
I'm tired, bro.
Throw it
I ain't really
outside.
tired, but like tired. My body tired, you know. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all turn that post notification bell so y'all know when I upload a video. Yeah, man. See y'all in the next one, man.
Don't just be scared.